Subliminal refers to information presented below the threshold of conscious awareness. The idea is that your brain may register a stimulus, such as a very brief image, a faint sound, or a hidden word, without you consciously noticing it. For example, a word flashed on a screen for just a few milliseconds. A whisper mixed so quietly into music that you don't consciously hear it. An image hidden inside another image. How does it work? Your brain processes far more information than you consciously notice. Some of this unconscious processing can temporarily influence your thoughts or behavior. Researchers have found that subliminal stimuli can briefly direct your attention, make certain ideas easier to recall, slightly influence simple choices under controlled laboratory conditions. However, these effects are typically small, short-lived, and depend on context. They do not override your free will or fundamentally change your personality. Interesting findings. 1. The famous eat popcorn, drink Coke story was false. In 1957, marketer James Vickery claimed he increased popcorn and Coca-Cola sales by flashing hidden messages during a movie. Years later, he admitted the experiment was fabricated. This story nevertheless popularized the idea of subliminal advertising. 2. Your brain notices more than you think. Experiments using brain imaging show that even when people don't consciously perceive a stimulus, parts of the brain still respond to it. This demonstrates that unconscious processing is real. 3. Subliminal priming exists, but its effects are modest. If people are briefly shown words related to thirst, they may be slightly more likely to choose a drink if they are already thirsty. The hidden message doesn't create thirst, it can only nudge an existing state. 4. Subliminal audio for self-improvement has little evidence. Many recordings claim to improve confidence, intelligence, memory, or appearance through hidden affirmations. Scientific studies have generally found no reliable evidence that these recordings produce the dramatic changes they advertise. When people report benefits, expectations, and motivation, the placebo effect often play a significant role. 5. Sleep learning is limited. While your sleeping brain can process some simple sounds and may form very basic associations, there is no convincing evidence that you can learn a new language or master complex skills by listening to subliminal recordings while asleep.